Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our Gyaniketan Girls School. Students, in the last video, I have discussed exercise of chapter 10. I hope all must have understood. Today, I am going to discuss exercise of chapter 11, force, work, and energy. Already, I have taught this chapter in online class, but again, I am going to discuss its exercise. This will help you revise this chapter once again. But before doing exercise, I will first summarize this chapter. So, listen everyone very carefully. Force is a push or a pull exerted on an object. The types of forces are muscular, gravitational, elastic, and frictional. The force exerted by the muscles of our body is called muscular force. The force which helps an object regain its original shape after external force acting on it is removed called elastic force. The force of the earth that pulls object towards itself is called gravitational force. And also you have studied about simple machines, devices that makes doing work easier called simple machines. The various simple machines are lever, pulley, wheel, axle, inclined plane, screw, and wedge. So, students, let us start. Today's topic is objective type questions. Name the type of force. First of all, you have to know what is force. Right now, I have told a push or a pull exerted on an object when it interacts with another object. And the type of forces are muscular, gravitational, elastic, and frictional. So, here, pushing of chair is muscular force, and a ball falling onto the ground, that is gravitational force. A sled sliding on ice, frictional force. Using a catapult is elastic force. So you have to learn all these questions. Identify whether the work is done or not in the following cases. Student, work is said to be done only when force applied on an object causes it to move through a distance. So here first statement, Madhulika is cleaning with a broom. So here is work is done. Rajat is pushing off car. The car did not move. So work is not done. Maria is hitting a shuttlecock with a badminton racket. Work is done. Afzal is sitting on a chair. Work is not done. Okay, students? Tick the correct answer. Force can move a stationary object, stop a moving object, change the direction and speed of a moving object, all of above. So answer will be all of the above. The force which acts in an opposite direction and slows or stops a moving object is frictional force, gravitational force, magnetic force, none of these. Answer will be students frictional force. Work is said to be done when a boy tries to move a wall, boy kicks a football, boy sleeps, boy think. Answer will be boy kicks a football. The source of all energy is water, sun, heat, wind. Answer will be students sun. Next question. Lever is a simple machine, force, work, energy. Lever is a simple machine. So answer will be simple machine. State true or false. Simple machines are the device that make work easier. True. Wind is the biggest source of energy. This sentence is false. Statement is false because sun is the biggest source of energy. The heat produced by the inner parts of the earth is called hydro energy. This is again false statement because the heat produced by the inner parts of the earth is called geothermal energy. The energy formed by a flowing water, that is called hydro energy. A musical player can change electrical energy into sound energy. True. This statement is true. Complete the concept map. Here is written in the box force, and you have to write what are the types of force. Already I have told muscular force, gravitational force, elastic force, and frictional force. So we will write here muscular force, gravitational force, elastic force, and frictional force. And just below is given examples. So we have to write here examples. Muscular force example is pushing chair. Gravitational force example is a ball falling onto the ground. Elastic force using a catapult. Frictional force a sleigh sliding on ice. So that's all for today, students. Whatever I have taught right now, I hope all students must have understood. If you have any doubt regarding in this chapter, so tell me in the online class, students. So keep studying, keep enjoying, and learn all keywords. So take care, students. That's all for today. Thank you, students. Goodbye.